Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast with regular bread. Let's begin by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 slices of your favorite regular bread, like white or challah, which works wonderfully. We'll also use 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and a touch of sweetness with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget a dash of vanilla extract and a pinch of ground cinnamon for that classic, comforting aroma. Now, let's create our delicious batter. In a shallow dish, like a pie plate or a wide bowl, crack and whisk 2 large eggs until they are light and frothy. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of milk, stirring gently to combine. For that signature flavor, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Whisk everything together until it's perfectly smooth and ready for dipping. With our batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a griddle or a large non-stick pan over medium heat, adding a small pat of butter if desired. Take each slice of bread and gently dip it into the batter, allowing it to soak for about 10 seconds on each side. You want it fully coated but not soggy. Place the dipped bread onto the hot surface and cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Your homemade French toast is now ready to enjoy. For the ultimate experience, serve it warm right off the griddle. A classic drizzle of pure maple syrup is always a winner, or a simple dusting of powdered sugar adds elegance. Elevate your dish with fresh fruit like sliced strawberries, blueberries, or banana. For an extra treat, consider a dollop of whipped cream or a savory side of crispy bacon. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.